I have never eaten such delicious eggs. To start our recipe, we will need to put 4 eggs to cook. Let them cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. After cooking, remove the shell and cut them in half, then set aside. In a frying pan, add olive oil. Half a bell pepper, chopped. Sauté for 2 minutes over medium heat. Add half an onion, chopped. I would like to know from which city you are watching us, so I can send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. Then add 1 chopped tomato. Sauté until the tomato releases the water. While sautéing, in a bowl add 1 egg. Beat it well with the help of a flute or a fork. Add 3/38 oz of milk. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix well until it is homogeneous. Add a teaspoon of salt. A pinch of curry. Mix it all once more. After mixing, add everything into the pan. Place the eggs that we cooked in the beginning of the video on top of the ingredients. If you want to receive our recipes, please interact with the video, like, comment, and share. This way Facebook will understand that you like our recipes, and will send them to you every day. I will season it with a pinch of paprika. Chives to taste. And a little bit of oregano. The oregano is optional. Now just put some cheese on top. You can add the cheese of your preference. Put the lid on and cook for another 10 minutes over medium heat. And our recipe is ready. Simply very appetizing. If you make it at home, I'm sure you'll love it. My grade for this recipe is a big 10. Easy and fast. Write there what grade you give for this recipe from 0 to 10. See you later.